Hey there, welcome back to the Elite Economizer. Today we're diving into the world of side hustles, those brilliant little gigs that can boost your bank account without tying you down. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have 5 fantastic side hustle ideas to explore. But first, let's talk about the magic of side hustles. They're like your financial fairy godmother, granting you the power to earn extra cash while maintaining the flexibility to do what you love. Whether you're looking for a quick income boost or dreaming of replacing your 9-to-5 side hustles can make it happen. Now, let's jump into our first side hustle, writing. As they say, content is king, and in today's digital age, words hold immense power. Whether it's crafting scripts for videos, writing website content, or even penning catchy Instagram posts, there's a demand for wordsmiths like never before. Next up, we have website building. Gone are the days of complex coding. With user-friendly website builders like Hostinger, creating a professional online presence is easier than ever. Just imagine turning your knack for design into a thriving web design business. Then we'll explore the world of video editing. In a digital landscape dominated by platforms like YouTube and TikTok, skilled video editors are in high demand. Even if you're a newbie with dedication and a bit of practice, you could soon find yourself earning a tidy sum from editing gigs. Now let's talk about community management. Whether it's moderating a Discord server or fostering engagement in a Facebook group, community managers play a vital role in nurturing online communities. And the best part? You get paid to talk about the things you love. Last but not least, we'll delve into the realm of virtual assistants. Solopreneurs often need an extra pair of hands to bring their ideas to life, and that's where you come in. From managing calendars to designing branding materials, the possibilities are endless. So there you have it, 5 side hustles to supercharge your income and unlock your financial potential. Which one resonates with you? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of savvy earners. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.